Well, in my line of work, of course, I deal with a lot of people who've been sued, and people are angry when they get sued. Their first instinct is they want to make that person pay. They want to go stomp on them. They want to find a lawyer that's going to make them pay. This lawsuit is frivolous and ridiculous, and I didn't do anything wrong, and I want a lawyer who's going to prove that. Those are normal instincts, but it's important when you're a defendant in a lawsuit to let the emotion back off a little bit and let the legal side take over and make sure that you pick an attorney who's going to do a good job of representing you and getting you where you need to be. The first thing that really needs to happen is you need to pick a good lawyer. That's not always easy. There are a lot of lawyers out there. There's a lot of information about lawyers out there. But one important thing is going to be to look at the experience of the attorney. You know, what kind of cases have they done? Have they done cases that are like yours? What kind of clients do they have who are willing to talk about the good job that they did? You'll want to find a lawyer who's going to put your interests first, who's going to be cost effective, who's going to do the sorts of things that are going to bring your lawsuit to resolution, rather than just do the sorts of things that maybe feel good because you feel like you're beating up the other side. A few months into the lawsuit, defendants usually realize that they're spending a lot of money on this, and they want to be efficient about it, and they want to get to a resolution that makes the most sense. You want to have a lawyer who has that perspective from the very get-go. You want to make sure that your attorney has a big picture strategy. Eventually, you're going to have to sell this case to a judge or to a jury, and you might as well know what that story is going to be early on, because that way, as you litigate throughout the course of the lawsuit, you can make sure that you're laying the groundwork for future success when it gets to trial. You need to know what your strengths and your weaknesses are. If you have a lawyer who's afraid to tell you what your weaknesses are, you can't ever confront them and make sure that you get past them so you can win the lawsuit. And you need a lawyer who's going to give you a reasonable cost prediction. That's something that sometimes lawyers are reluctant to do, but a client deserves that. Although there are always unexpected things and unexpected costs that can come up in litigation, a lawyer should be able to give you a range of what to expect, and he or she should be willing to stick to what they've told you. So if you take those factors all into account and you choose the right firm up front, your experience as a defendant in a lawsuit is going to be much more successful, much more cost effective, and you're going to have an attorney that you can work with toward success.